everybody. In China, we have the kitchen. In the kitchen, we have a different style. We call it the generation force. So the generation 1 is wooden board. But today we call it the stainless steel, very nice kitchen cabinet. So the kitchen cabinet, including the top plate and the lower plate and the side and the middle plate. So all of this need the bending technology. The bending technology change the world. If I want to make a very nice the door with a hinge. So today I show you how we realize this. So you see this is a 2 plate. Now we can easily to put the Hollywood inside. Please. Okay. Then this is we call it the package. So this package stainless steel plate can be perfect to make very nice kitchen the door. So the kitchen door standard is 80 millimeters, and I have to bending 8 bending, and this also 8 bending and easy assembly. Let's see how our machine. So this machine, we call it automatic tool change press brake. So the EP-4016 ATC means automatic tooling change. So let's to show you how it works. First, we use scan to scan the parts. Number 1. So you see the tooling can automatic change. 可以。The bending is 0.4 millimeters. The machine is automatic positioning and with a servo motor control. So the machine including Y1, Y2, X1, X2, Z1, Z2, P1, P2. So it's very quiet and very fast. Now you see it's fantastic. I need the last 2 bending. The last 2 bending must be exactly the length of the last bending. Okay, you see the small panel already finished. So it's perfect bending. Okay, let's continue to see. Now, this is we are bending, the size is 387, 287, and plate. So this is the angle, this is the positioning. All this we can have the group. Okay, let's continue to do. Okay, now I'm bending the second bending. No need any manual adjustment. Number 1, number 2, Okay, now the tooling automatic change again. Okay. Perfect. So now we're bending the two pieces just with the barcode to scan, so we can quickly to finish. Even MOQ is one pieces.